Hello and welcome to Let's Fix Computers. I'm looking at a Lenovo something today. This is one of their new style ones that doesn't appear to have an actual model number, so I don't know what it is. Anyway, it's been dropped and it's got a dead power button, so we're going to take it apart and just see if we can get that power button working again. Right, not entirely sure if the top is coming off or the bottom. Let's try the bottom. Yeah, the bottom is coming off. Whoop, there we go. Right, usual dust. Right, where's the power button gone? It is around here. So this is our point of interest, which is all on a nice convenient power board. So what we'll do is we'll take this power board out. Just trying to see if we can get that out without... I think that'll come out. Let's take that off and see what we get. I apologise for the tapping noise in the background, I don't know who that is. Well that's unfortunate. That power button, it's a little surface mount job that's come clean off. Okay, so here is the power board, and if I just arrange this little button so it's resting where it's supposed to be, this should be... that should be there-ish. On those 4 pads. So what we'll do, we'll get the soldering iron out. We should just be able to solder that straight back on. It's going to be a bit of a fiddly job because my soldering iron isn't exactly precision instruments, but I'm pretty certain I can get that on, and because it's a simple device there shouldn't be any problems, and that will be this fella fixed. So time to get the soldering iron. Okay, I think that's not bad. Okay, that's surviving me giving that a push. What I'm going to do though, I'm going to get out my hot glue gun and just put a bit of hot glue just around the edges of that, because that's not going to be quite as strong as a factory finish. Okay, right, here comes the very oversized hot glue gun. I'm literally just putting a tiny piece of little bit along the back. Oh, that's way too much. Abort. Now we'll just move that along there like that. There we go. That will give that just a bit more strength against being pushed back all the time from the power button. Just going to put a little bit there. There we go. I think we'll quit while I'm ahead. Oh, there we go. That's more like it. Now, of course, the only way to know how strong that really is to test to destruction, which I'm not going to do. But this is why I do. This is why I provide a warranty on my work. There is obviously a chance that that will break off within the next week or something, in which case the laptop comes back in and I have to do this again. But I cross that bridge as and when I come to it. Quite often these will stand up nicely, especially on a power button like that. It's not going to take that much abuse, so I think we're going to be okay. Right, I'm going to give that a quick airline before I finish reassembling this. Okay, and let's get those covers back on. Okay, and bow, and it lives. First time. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye for now.